Hey everyone, welcome back again to Foxtecc, and in this video we're going to be talking about how you can prevent Notion, but practically even other apps from opening up automatically with the Mac being turned on. Perhaps you don't want all these apps popping up the moment you start your computer, so let's fix it. In fact, it's really simple. You just need to go to the settings of your Mac. So open up the Mac application for the settings, then head over to the general section. One of the menus in the general section is called Login Items, and in there you just manage all the processes that are taking place upon booting up your computer, or even when switching to your profile from a different one. At the top of the page, you have the Open at Login section. There are all the items that get open when you start your Mac, so you can just tap on individual items, like select the one you want to remove, probably Notion if you have it there, and click the minus icon below it to remove it from the list. You can keep on repeating these steps until you're happy with the result. Besides this, you can also see all the background processes that get started as well. It might be some extensions or like Dropbox, for example, or anything based on how you have it set up and which apps you have previously downloaded on your computer, so you can turn these off as well. And that's it pretty much. Let me know below in the comments if you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you click the like button as well if you don't feel like typing. But that's it from me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.